The role of CSMs in Agile contract negotiations. Agile contract negotiations differ significantly from traditional fixed-scope agreements. Traditional contracts often lock stakeholders into rigid terms. These cover scope, budget, and timeline. Why CSMs are critical in Agile contract negotiations. Advocating for Agile principles, CSMs are champions of Agile. They help clients and stakeholders see why flexibility is key to delivering value. In negotiations, they can explain how iterative delivery benefits all. It reduces risk and ensures the product meets changing business needs. Managing expectations. Unrealistic expectations in contracts can derail Agile projects. CSMs work with stakeholders to set goals and align expectations with the team's capacity. It includes negotiating delivery times and clarifying that the scope may change with new information. Key challenges CSMs face in Agile contract negotiations. Resistance to change. Clients used to traditional contracts may resist flexible scope or iterative delivery. They may view Agile contracts as vague or risky. Balancing competing priorities. Stakeholders often have conflicting priorities. They want fixed deadlines but also need flexibility. CSMs must balance these demands while staying true to Agile principles. Ensuring continuous feedback loops. Some clients may prefer minimal involvement after initial negotiations. This can disrupt the iterative nature of Agile. CSMs must advocate for regular feedback and review mechanisms in the contract. Case study: Agile contract success. Consider a software development project where the client initially demanded a fixed scope contract. The CSM advocated for a more Agile-friendly agreement. It should emphasize iterative delivery and regular feedback loops. The long-term impact of CSMs in contract negotiations. CSMs are instrumental in transforming how organizations approach contracts in Agile environments. By ensuring contracts reflect Agile values, they foster stronger client relationships, enable teams to deliver high-quality, value-driven outcomes. CSMs in contract negotiations must advocate for flexibility. They must also build trust and collaboration to benefit all parties. Conclusion. In conclusion, Agile contract negotiations are key to successful Agile projects. CSMs are at the heart of this process.